A very good morning. Welcome to Agenda. This is a program where we'll discuss all that is expected to come up in Lok Sabha's legislative business for the day. But before we get straight into our discussion, here is a look on the top highlights and top important issues that might come up in today's business. The questions listed for the question repeated adjournments. Can we expect a smooth day today? Not to forget, several important questions are listed in the question hour and also several important bills. Most importantly, National Food Security Bill, also Land Acquisition Bill. Coming to you, Mr. Thomas, can we expect a smooth day today?
We are expecting a smooth day today because the National Food Security is an important bill. Not only that, it is a bill which is intended to the downtrodden people of our country. Nobody will, no political party, national party or anybody will not opposing that bill. I hope that bill will be passed today.
Right, so you're hoping that National Food Security Bill will be passed today. Most importantly, there will be a discussion on this issue. There are many parties which are unhappy still with the content of this bill and they want few changes to be made in several provisions. But my question to you, Mr. Thomas, about the floor management. We've seen that House is not functioning properly for last several days and the kind of issues which has really come up in the House. Do you think it's high time that the Parliamentary Affairs Minister tries to build in consensus within the House?
Really, it is an unfortunate. It is not because of the floor management. Mainly the House is disturbed by the TDP, by the Telangana issue. That is the most important issue this session. And major political parties not obstructed the smooth functioning of the House. But unfortunately, that Telangana issue
can't be discussed because it's basically related to financial transactions with the banks. First thing. Second thing, the whole last week was disturbed by the treasury benches. And this is very funny when a government wants to pass the bill. And we are seeing Congress MPs from Simandra area who were always shout and they will disturb the parliament. And specifically when the BJP people will start speaking something. When the Congress or we have seen that when Mulayam Singh Yadav was speaking, there was pin drop silence from Congress party. The minute Yashwant Sinha started speaking, then the Congress MPs from Andhra Pradesh area created hookahs there. So basically, the issue is that Congress doesn't want to run the parliament. And I'm very sorry to say we have never got such a parliamentary minister, affairs minister, who gives a statement in the parliament that Mr. Antony has said it in Rajya Sabha, so there's no need for further explanation. Means if the parliamentary affairs minister doesn't know the proceedings, how to run the Lok Sabha, I'm really very sorry.
What is the purpose of Parliament? What is the message which, as members of Parliament, you are sending across? The basic purpose of a Parliament, of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, both is to legislate and to debate. Is the premise function is being taken care of?
See, for a whole week, we had our patience. We wanted that things should be discussed. And it was only from the treasury benches, from the Congress party's MPs, who disturbed the Parliament proceedings. Otherwise, the three TDP MPs were continuously shouting and still the Parliament was going on. But when the Congress people started coming in well or they started shouting from their desks, then only it got stalled. The second and most important issue is, because it happened yesterday, was Mr. Vadra's issue. You can't escape the responsibilities of the government by just saying that he is not a member of this House. Yeah. Whatever Vadra is doing is because of those people who are member of Parliament and not because those people